To celebrate Karbi heritage and culture, a program was organized with a motive to show that the Karbi tribe living in Rebhoi district of Meghalaya got many varieties of cultural and traditional practices. In this occasion, Pingshangang Ensiam, Chief Executive members of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, was the chief guest, and besides him there were invitees including Walambok, Miliamgap MLA Jirang Constituency, CB Siam, members of the Singjoki Nongshangshar Rebhoi Mikir, led by the chairman Mr. R.R. Klein, and Morris Lingtit as the General Secretary, member of Meghalaya Karbi Women's Social Welfare and Cultural Associations, and others. Pingshangang Ensiam in his speech expressed that he was overwhelmed with the steps taken by the Singjoki Nongshangshar Rebhoi Mikir as the Autonomous District Council Chief. He said that it is a high time that the traditional heads, including the headman Siam, to be abided by the customary laws to ensure that the traditional and cultural practice will exist within the society and community as a whole. Men, women and children clad in traditional attires were seen at the venue, while some were waiting for their turn to perform. Traditional musical instruments and music were played as the audience swayed to the tunes. Local foods were also sold at the food stalls erected along the venue. It was filled with joy of festivity as everyone there got to meet their friends, relatives and enjoy the cultural extravaganza that played all day long. All the participants were given a souvenir and a cash reward for participations, as the various VIPs attending the function gave away the prizes. This is an annual affair that started in 2016, and hopefully the program will continue in this year to come. With Bopangla Pongoner, Shillong.